Well, I was very pleased with the performance. In the first half, I thought we never got enough pressure on the ball. They played a lot of runners. We defended in a deep line. We made some fundamental error because when we were high up the pitch, we didn't get pressure on the ball. So they broke our lines in the first half at will. It's an error again that the goalkeeper made a first initial save. Probably could have punched the ball. Who knows? In the moment, we fired the ball, but our reaction was not good. And it was evident when we played against Waterhouse. It was the same goal that we conceded after the goalkeeper made a save. So our reaction is poor in the back. In the second half, we spoke about keeping possession, breaking their lines. We understood what they were doing. They were quick in transition, but they kept pushing both wing backs high. So we tried to get behind. We got 1 or 2 chances in the game, especially in the first half. I thought we could have gone on the score sheet. It is football. They were the better team on the night. I thought they were much stronger. They were better in transition. We were very good organization-wise. We played, but it didn't happen for us. But it's still early days in the round. We still are looking for that moment when we can get 2 or 3 games under our belt unbeaten. We have not seen that, so we have been very inconsistent and dismal in front of goal, and I think that sums up the season so far for us.